You want to see why this is the best wheel, drum bearing wheel to put on a dryer? Notice how it's crimped right there around that bearing? This is the center part's actually a bearing. This is rubber on the outside. But you see those tabs there? This is the best wheel, drum bearing, that goes on these dryers to use. Now, how do you know if one of these is bad? Well, you'll feel up around this lip. Okay, there's a gap, and it's actually riding in it. I might be able to show you. See a little bit, see that gap there? I can fit my hand in. Over here, I don't have a gap. That wheel came off. Now, normally, you'll find them in this dryer, the lint box, when you're cleaning them out. But I don't clean this one out, so I didn't notice it. There it is. See it? All right. Now look, I wanted you to see this. You see this? These are Sensi beads. People are going to load your dryers up with Sensi beads. You know why? Because they're not very bright. See, there's the bearings. See, that's not crimped. This thing like it literally imploded. Normally, on some of these, what happens is this inner bearing actually slides out of this housing and it gets so hot. This one, the bearings actually went out. There's parts of it here, and the rest of it's up here somewhere. You're going to be able to see that better than I am. So I'm going to try to give you a view of working on it here. This is one of those things, there's no sense in your laundromat being out of order, because this is one of the easiest repairs on new machines. You don't have to take, especially single pocket machines. I think it's a 9/16. Yep. 9/16 nut. And all we got to do is loosen it off. Put the new, take the old parts that are still on off. They'll slide right off. And just put that new wheel. Hard to do is off at the same time. Well, got stuff flying at you. Save that part. Yeah, this is a. There we go. Center part had to come out. Now what I do is, sometimes you have to lift up on the drum. There we go. There's no washer. Bolt just has its own flat washer attached to it, basically, like a tighten it up. And just like that, take all our pieces. I'll leave the balls for the guys that clean it later. We'll come in with a shop vac. Now I know what you're thinking. How long's that been in there? Well, that's like 3 or 4 days. It's not the end of the world, folks. So, make sure we get this shut. Number 2 in the back. This is one thing when you buy a laundromat or you buy machines, make sure, because this is a number 1, that's a number 2, and sometimes, sometimes the controls are 3s, sometimes those are 3s also. Whatever number they are, make sure your dealer gives you keys. A lot of dealers will not give you keys when you buy equipment from them, even though they come in the packages when the machines are being delivered. They're in there. But they like to upcharge you. All keys are extra. Don't believe them. And if you buy top loaders actually come with their own hoses. Now, they're not the greatest hoses, but it comes with hoses. Don't ever let a dealer, if you're in a bind, don't ever let a dealer tell you, oh, there's no hoses with this. They're in there. They just took them out. And yes, they do that. Tape off this thing. Hey, you got double push these buttons nowadays. And like that, we just fixed the dryer. Silly to have that dryer out of service. And this came in one bag. Always make sure some of the simple parts, those wheels, touch screen pads, belts, have some of that in stock. One, and then when you use that one, you know, buy another one. Because there's no sense in your laundromat being out of business. Throw that away. No sense in being out of business. If you notice it's dark over here, had a light go out. I gotta fix that tonight. And then I gotta fix this dryer here. Brand new. Brand new and it stopped working. Just because you have new equipment doesn't mean you don't have to work on it, folks. Like always, thanks for watching. I love showing you what's going on, keeping you up to date. We love the subscribers. I love the thumbs up and I love the comments. It helps us little channels out like you wouldn't believe. So, till next time. Take it easy.